At this point, I want to actually introduce our student speaker for this morning. Many of you know that students come from not just the GTA, but even from further distances, often to be at Or Chaim. Our speaker this afternoon is Joseph Newman, who comes to us all the way from Ottawa. And what's incredibly impressive about Joseph is not just how well he's done at Or Chaim and how proud of Joseph we all are, but really the fact that he decided prior to ninth grade to come to Toronto, to dorm and live in Toronto because he wanted to be at Or Chaim and he wanted everything that we had to offer. And Joseph, it's an honor and a privilege to call upon you to address this distinguished audience.
Thank you, Rabbi Grauer. Good afternoon, students and parents, and welcome to our school. It's exciting to see you all here today. My name is Joseph Newman. I'm a grade 12 student here at Yeshivat Or Chaim, and I'm honored to be speaking to you, representing my school this afternoon. I came here in grade 9 from Ottawa, where the city's only Jewish high school had abruptly shut down during my grade 7 year. I came here unknown to many, not even having attended the open house or other pre-year events. My first day of grade 9 marked the second time I had set foot in the building. But when I came to school on that very first day as a complete stranger, my nervousness melted away. I was immediately struck by the warm atmosphere of the school and the welcoming kindness of the school community. Seniors walked alongside freshies, smiling and helping them adapt to their new environment. I'd come to a new school in a new city to meet new people, and I came with natural doubts. But I felt immediately at home, quickly absorbed into the warm web of friendship and connection, of teachers and students standing side by side, that is the Or Chaim family. Walking down those halls, surrounded by new friends, I knew I had arrived at a special place. In my classmates, I had found not only study partners, but brothers. YOC absorbed me with generosity and kindness, and today, once an almost complete stranger here, I speak to you as Vice President of Student Council. With its small class sizes and individualized teacher attention, Or Chaim redefined my understanding of the teacher-student relationship. Teachers here care deeply about each student as an individual, taking time out of their busy schedules to offer extra help sessions at lunch and outside of school hours. Help is always a quick email away, and the school has a fantastically dedicated guidance department that can help with anything, ranging from IEPs to university applications. Administrators are easy to reach, and their doors are always open. No student is ever left to struggle on his own. YOC is a full-service, high-quality yeshiva, and it is no surprise that it offers some of the strongest Torah programming in the city. Passionate and dedicated Rebbeim help students reach their full potential in Limudei Kodesh, no matter their starting point in Jewish learning. Prior to grade 9, I had never picked up a Gemara. 4 short years later, however, guided by enthusiastic and caring rabbis, I've become much more confident in my learning. And today, I find myself in an all-Hebrew Gemara class learning Masechet Kiddushin. There is more to Torah learning than Gemara, however, and YOC knows this very well. Last year, I took a course in Jewish medical ethics, building a bridge between science and Torah and helping me understand the depth of our tradition. The rabbis here go well beyond the call of duty, offering dozens of special programs, from the weekly Shnaim Mikra contest to Sunday learning and breakfast programs, allowing students to take control of their learning and follow their interests. Or Chaim strikes a rare but perfect balance between secular and religious studies, providing an enriching Torah experience alongside a competitive secular education. From sociology to computer science, there is something for everyone here. This year, I'm taking biology, calculus, chemistry, and physics, while feeding my interest in the humanities with English and a course about the modern Middle East. My teachers are passionate, thorough, and always ready to go above and beyond to help every person develop their potential, whether that means dissecting rats or offering extra credit assignments. Here, I've been able to follow my interests, feeling supported every step of the way. YOC offers vibrant extracurricular life. For anything you can imagine, there's a club or team here. Tennis, chesed, esports, chess, and the list goes on. In the past few years, I've gotten involved with the student newspaper, where I'm now an editor. I've also had the chance to be a part of the Model UN team at our school, which goes to New York every year to face off against Jewish students from around the world, some even as far away as Brazil or South Africa. YOC's famous basketball team has traveled all over Ontario and throughout the US. With back-to-back division titles, it is consistently ranked as one of the best private school teams in the city. At the end of the day, YOC is so much more than a school. With its warm, tight-knit, and friendly atmosphere, it is a place where friendships are born and a life-lasting love for Torah and learning forged in every student. It is a place where people look out for each other, no matter their age or other differences. A family in every sense. In whatever I do here, I know that the administration, my teachers, and my fellow students are looking out for me. That is the promise of YOC, and today it opens up to you. There's no school anywhere, across our country, or indeed the world, quite like Yeshivat Or Chaim. This is a place of opportunity, a place to learn, not just for tests, but for life, as a whole person. A place to grow socially, academically, and spiritually. So welcome to the Or Chaim family. Thank you.